it's Jenny here from The Bear and the Fox. Today I'm going to show you how to recycle some old plastic bottles into some cute apple gift boxes. For this project you will need 2 empty plastic bottles for each gift box, a craft knife, a pair of scissors, a glue stick, a glue gun, brown and green craft paper and red or green tissue paper. So the first thing you need to do is take one of the plastic bottles and your craft knife and about 2 inches from the bottom, cut all the way round. And if you do the same thing with the other bottle, you should end up with 2 halves like this. Next, you take some tissue paper and you put that in 1/2, like so. And you can put a little gift inside, some sweeties or whatever you like, and then fold the top over and squeeze the other half on top, like so. So it's already beginning to look like an apple. So there's one last thing to do to make it look a bit more like an apple. You take your brown craft paper and your pair of scissors and cut a little strip off the side. Like so. And you take your green craft paper and cut out 2 leaf shapes. So then fold this in half, like so, and just fold it like this. And now take your glue stick, glue this together, and then just take the leaves, put a little bit of glue on the bottom. And then with your glue gun, just put a little dab of glue on the top and glue this in place. And there we go. 1 apple gift box.